never say these things to your real estate agent when buying a home. Stop. Before you sabotage your home buying experience, listen up. The top 7 things you should never say to your real estate agent here in Charlotte, North Carolina to make sure that your deal does not fall apart. These are things that I want to talk to you so you have a better home buying experience. Pretty please. And be careful. Some agents will actually use this information against the buyer. Buying a home in Charlotte, North Carolina can be one of the most exciting and rewarding experiences of your life. Whether you're moving to Dilworth, South Park, Myers Park, Ballantyne, Lake Norman, Lake Wallow, Charlotte real estate market is full of incredible opportunities, but also challenges. One mistake buyers make is oversharing with their real estate agent. Now, don't get me wrong, communication is key immensely. You should absolutely be open and honest with your goals that you must have and your deal breakers with your agent. But there are a few things you should be careful about discussing. The goal is to protect yourself and ensure you have a smooth, successful home buying experience. Now, if you want to know everything about living in Charlotte, North Carolina, this is Mark Sells Charlotte, and we review Charlotte and the surrounding areas. If you want to know more, then subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Charlotte, North Carolina and the surrounding areas. Whether you are moving 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help make a smooth move to Charlotte, North Carolina for you. If you're moving across town or across the country, we should be your first call and let our team show you why. I'm Mark Weinberg, your favorite local realtor here in Charlotte. So let's dig in because here are these seven things you should keep to yourself when buying a home in the Charlotte area. Number 1, your full financial details. It might feel natural to tell your realtor all about your salary, your bank balance, your credit card scores, credit card payments, everything, so on and so forth, but it's not necessary. Your lender is the only person who needs to see the full picture. What your Charlotte realtor does need to know is simple. Are you pre-approved? What type of loan is it? Conventional versus FHA versus a VA? How much are you approved for, and what type of down payment are you looking to do? That's it. Oversharing financial details can sometimes lead to agents showing you homes above your intended budget. Market like what's going on in Charlotte, where homes in South End or NoDa can climb in price quickly. That temptation can be strong. Make sure to protect yourself by keeping those details private. Number 2, if you're going through a divorce or you have to move because of work, life happens. Divorce, jobs transfers, lease expirations, all these things are understandable and can be urgent, but it can lead you to giving too much information and giving your agent too much leverage. So making sure that they don't do those things and saying, oh my gosh, I only got 30 days to be really located here, sleep up. And then the buyer's agent might screw up and say it to the seller's agent. Then they have more leverage and they know what to do, and they might waiver contingencies, look to counter hire, make things a little bit harder for you. So make sure what personal information you share is only what's absolutely necessary. If your realtor tries to pressure into buying more information, trying to use it against you, maybe it's a red flag, because you never want to discuss all the situations of your home buying process with the agent, especially inside the house. Because if you're inside the house, don't forget, they have cameras, they're recording, especially by the front door. You have the video camera that's recording all the time. So if you're discussing with your agent, make sure you step away from anything past the front area so you can discuss without anyone overhearing what you're talking about the house. So you're thinking about relocating to Charlotte, North Carolina? Well, I've got just the thing for you. My team and I have actually taken the time to create the ultimate relocation guide, which is meant to save you hours of research, and I've linked it down below. From top employers, the best hospitals, and a boatload of other things that you need to know before making the move here to Charlotte. The best part is that its guide is 100% free. That's right, you heard me, you're right, 100% free. Just click the link in the description or the top pinned comment. Hope that helps, Look forward to talking to you soon. Number 3. I'm working with multiple agents. This is a quick way to lose an agent's motivation. Real estate agents only get paid at closing, and showing houses in Charlotte takes time, money, energy, gas, effort, so on and so forth. So if you're trying to work with several agents at one time, that you think that maybe you're investing too much energy into it, many buyers assume that working with multiple agents is actually beneficial. Shh. You're not getting any better exposure, because a good agent is going to show you all the homes that are in the same MLS system. But an excellent agent is actually going to be able to show you some homes that are possibly off market. So knowing what off market properties are available to you sets one agent apart from the others. But you might be surprised which ones actually do and go that extra distance to be smart and savvy to show you better than some of the average ones that do. But please make sure you're working with one agent only in that area. Now, if you're looking for something that's in North Carolina, South Carolina, but you're looking at the mountains and Charlotte and then down to the beach coastal areas, yes, you're going to look for 3 different agents. But if you're just looking in the Charlotte region alone, one agent, strong agent, should be able to suit your custom needs completely. Number 4, Zillow says the home is worth. Yeah, everyone's looking at this estimate. They're fun, they're quick, and they seem helpful. But you know what? They're not accurate enough to base offers on. Here in Charlotte, estimates can swing tens of thousands of dollars off of what true market value, depending on the neighborhood and the condition, the upgrades, and recent sales. If you want to know what a home is really worth, ask your local real estate agent to do what's called a comparative market analysis, or CMA. This report uses recent sales in Charlotte neighborhoods within the last few months and specific perimeter of that area, because Zestimates don't do it. Their data and the algorithm tell you that they can change data to what they want it to be, and their numbers are always wrong. They lost billions of dollars trying to buy and sell homes, and even the owner of Zillow, his Zestimate was way off from when he sold his house not too long ago. So please be extra careful what you're looking at, what you're reviewing, to see what they're talking about. Now for the question of the day. For those of you who are thinking of moving to the Charlotte area, where are you moving from? And what's the main reason why you are leaving? Is it banking or is it manufacturing? Make sure to leave your answer in the comments below. I want to hear what you have to say. Also, if you have any questions or thoughts, you can leave those comments down below, or even text or call or email me or my team. My information should pop up on the screen. Number 5, your maximum budget. Top number. Here's another big one. Never, ever reveal the absolute ceiling. Let's say you tell your agent, I can go up to $750,000. Even if you want to start your search in the $650,000 range, that top number could influence what they show you or how they guide you in the negotiations. Charlotte's competitive neighborhoods, yes, like Myers Park or South Park, often involve multiple offer situations. If your agent already knows your top budget, they might encourage you to stretch further than you're comfortable with, and not necessarily the best thing to do it. A better approach: share what your comfort range is, review comparable sales, and decide an offer but case by case. Number 6, overreacting inside the home. Again, please be careful. Charlotte homeowners use security cameras, smart devices, Ring, Nest, monitoring, and so on and so forth. They are recording during your showings. So if you gush and ooh and ah so much, I love the kitchen, or oh my gosh, this is the worst thing in the world, how could they ever decide to do this? This could affect, what's going on. Positively, they know that you love it and they're going to put more pressure into negotiating it. Or if you truly trash talk some of the upgrades, they might decline your offer, when it comes down to it. So the best move, keep your thoughts neutral inside the house. Then step outside, go past to where the cars are sitting, have a professional conversation with your agent away from the cameras and the microphones. Hey guys, it's Mark Weinberg. As much as I love making these videos, there's one thing I love more, and that's helping families and people from all over the U.S. make the move here to Charlotte, North Carolina. I've helped countless families make the move. So whether you're coming over next week, next month, or even next year, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm your guide. Let me show you why. My contact information is right here and linked in the description in case you missed the on-screen pop-up. I look forward to helping you and your family make the move to Charlotte. Number 7, forgetting about what's going on with the new buyer agency law that came into effect August 17th, 2024 across the United States, but basically here in Charlotte, North Carolina. When working with a realtor, this change comes from recent NAR settlement, and it's designed to create more transparency in the home buying process between buyer and buyer's agent. So you'll start seriously shopping for a home here in Charlotte. You want to fully understand what that agreement covers, how your agent is compensated, what services they're going to provide, what your responsibilities are as a client. Please don't skip this step. It's crucial to know the terms before you begin, because basically, who has your best interest in mind? So final thoughts, let's wrap it up here in Charlotte. Is one of the most dynamic real estate markets in the Southeast, with strong demand, growing neighborhoods, and lots of competition. To succeed as a buyer is not just about finding the right home, it's about protecting your leverage during the process. By keeping certain details private, avoiding oversharing, and working with one trusted realtor, you put yourself in the best position to succeed. Charlotte's fast-paced real estate market. Again, I'm Mark Weinberg. This is Mark Sells Charlotte, your favorite local realtor here. And if you're new here, I cover everything about Charlotte real estate, from market updates to relocation advice. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my weekly updates, because I'll always tell it to you straight. The ins, the outs, and everything in between. You have come to the right channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and be the first to be updated on everything new, because we get calls, emails, texts from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Charlotte, North Carolina. And we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year, we'll be your guide, and let me show you why. If you're moving across town or across the country, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help you make a smooth move to Charlotte and the surrounding areas. Thanks so much. Look forward to catching up soon.